for a day party. Or make
Ooh.
a day party kit. So you use these images to make a kit to help families celebrate New Year's Day. Also, there are a lot of 5Ks that happen New Year's between New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. There are a lot of 5Ks, and these designs will be cute on a shirt that you have your little ones run in with a cute little tutu as part of New Year's festivities. There's actually a lot of opportunity where no one's making anything at all, to be honest. And you could fill in that gap.
I I love that,
Great
Martine.
idea.
That's a great idea because with all of the activities that are going on, you can personalize the shirts, you can find different color schemes that you can put into the shirts. You can afford, if like it's a running teams, you can put them all together. They can have their own coloring books. They can do all the things. I love that, Martine. And this is the coloring book images. Look how cute these came out. Look at her look.
I need those. Ooh, I want to color her right now.
Children's
See?
museums. Children's
Oh, that's
museums. You can make these coloring pages for
Oh,
children's
yeah.
museums. I would try to build and guys, remember, I like to monetize, but you can also do it as an active community service and build a partnership with your local children's museums. So donate the pages,
mm,
write them an invoice, but offer it as a donation. What that does is that puts your art into the hands of families directly, and the first thing they're gonna say is, "Where did you get that art from? I really want that art." And
Ooh,
you can have you can have them link back to you and give them your information so that families can purchase your art in particular. So use it as a lead magnet in your local community. And I would actually donate these pages to a children's museum as a way to connect with the larger community.